Are you tired of living the same life every day?
Wow, Emily, that is a very strong way to start. Hello, everyone.
Hello, Paul, and hello to our listeners. But I am serious. Think about it. Are you happy, or are you just waiting?
That is a big question. I think many people wake up, drink coffee, go to work, and come home. Every day is the same.
Exactly. Nothing changes because you are not changing. This is your wake-up call today.
I like that energy. Sometimes we need someone to tell us the truth. We are too comfortable.
Yes, comfort is a trap. We stay in the same place because it is easy, but easy does not make you grow.
You are right. If I only do easy things, I stay the same Paul. I don't get better.
So today we are talking about moving, not just moving your body, but moving your life.
This feels different from our usual chats. It's more intense.
It is, because time is passing, Paul. It doesn't wait for us to be ready.
That's a scary thought. The clock is always moving.
It is. So let's talk about reality. Life is not easy. And guess what? It will not get easier.
That is hard to hear. We always want things to be easier, right? We want a better job to be easy. We want to learn English easily.
But that is a lie. The world doesn't care if you are tired. The world keeps going.
I see what you mean. If I wait for a lucky day, I might wait forever.
Yes, no one is coming to save you, Paul. Not your boss, not the government, not even your friends.
Wow, no one is coming to save you. That makes me feel responsible.
Good, that is the point. If you don't move, nothing will move. Your life is your job.
I remember a friend of mine. He always complained about his house. He said it was too small and messy.
And did he change it?
No, he waited for a miracle. He waited for more money or a person to help him. 2 years passed. The house is still the same.
See, that is the problem. He had the power, but he chose to wait.
It's easier to complain than to act. Complain is free. Action costs energy.
Exactly. But complaining changes nothing. It just makes you feel heavy.
So we have to stop making excuses. I am too old. I don't have time. I'm not smart enough.
Those are all stories we tell ourselves to stay safe. But safe is where dreams go to die.
You are on fire today, Emily. But you are right. We must take responsibility.
It starts with a decision, a real decision, not a maybe tomorrow.
A now decision. Like, I will do this today, even if I am scared.
Yes, and you have to realize that you are the boss of your mind. You decide what to think.
That is hard sometimes. My mind likes to tell me to sit on the sofa and watch TV.
My mind too, but you have to be stronger than your sofa, Paul.
Stronger than the sofa. I will remember that.
But you are not alone in this, Paul. We have to have strength, but we also need faith.
Faith? You mean believing in something bigger?
Yes, trust God, even when things are very hard. When the road is dark, you have to keep walking.
That helps me. When I feel like I can't do it, I remember that God is with me. It gives me a little more energy.
Exactly. You have a light inside you. You have a power that is waiting for you to use it.
It's like a battery, but if we don't turn on the machine, the battery does nothing.
Great example. You are a machine of action, Paul. Stand up. Be strong.
I feel more focused now. It's not just about trying, it's about doing.
Yes. Don't just try. Do it. Be bold.
Speaking of being bold, I have a small idea.
Oh, tell me.
Well, I think our listeners are feeling this energy too. Maybe they want to join us.
I hope so. If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Yes, and share it with a friend who needs a wake-up call today. It really helps the channel grow.
And we have a special thing today. If you are still listening, comment the word brave below.
Brave. I like that word. It shows you are ready to change.
Exactly. Okay, Paul, let's get back to the plan. We talked about starting small before, remember?
Yes, in our other episodes, we said start small.
Well, today I want to change that.
Really? Why?
Because small can be too comfortable. Today, I say start now, but take it seriously.
Ah, so don't just play with the idea. Commit to it.
Yes, do something that challenges you. If you want to learn English, don't just watch one video. Study for an hour. Talk to a stranger.
Push yourself every day. That is the key to a new life.
Think about a person at the gym. If they only lift a tiny weight, they never get muscles.
Right. They need the heavy weight. They need the pressure.
Growth comes from pressure. If you feel comfortable, you are not growing.
That is a bit painful, but it's a good pain, I think.
It is. It's the pain of becoming a better version of yourself.
I think about my first job. I was so nervous. I wanted to quit every morning.
But you didn't.
No, I pushed myself. I did the hard things. And now I am here talking to all of you.
Exactly. You chose the struggle, and the struggle made you Paul.
So we shouldn't be afraid of the struggle?
Never. Struggle is just part of the process. It is the price of an extraordinary life.
People think that successful people have no problems, but that's not true.
It's the opposite. Successful people usually have more problems. They just have the strength to solve them.
They don't quit when they are tired. They quit when they're finished.
Yes, I love that. You will feel tired, Paul. You will want to quit.
I feel that way on Mondays.
Everyone does, but that is when you must keep going. That is when it matters most.
It's like running a race. The last few meters are the hardest.
But those are the meters that win the race.
I'm thinking about the reward now. Why are we doing all this hard work?
For the vision of your future. Imagine a life where you are not afraid.
A life where I can speak English perfectly, travel anywhere, and help my family.
Yes, a better life is waiting for you, but it is on the other side of your fear.
The reward is real. I can almost see it.
You should see it. Every morning, close your eyes and see that extraordinary life. Then, open your eyes and work for it.
It's like a map. If I don't know where I am going, I will just walk in circles.
Exactly. You need a destination. Your future can be amazing, but you have to build it.
It won't just fall from the sky.
No free gifts here. You earn it with your sweat and your time.
I feel like I need to go and do something right now. I have a report I was waiting to finish.
Good. Go and finish it. Stop waiting.
I was waiting for the right mood, but the mood is not coming.
The mood comes after you start, not before.
That's a secret, isn't it? Most people don't know that.
It's the biggest secret of all. Action creates motivation. Motivation does not create action.
Wow, I need to write that down. Action first, then the feeling.
Always. So, to our listeners, stand up today, right now.
Even if you are on the bus or at home, stand up in your mind.
Make a decision. What is one thing you are avoiding?
Maybe it's a difficult conversation or a big project.
Whatever it is, do it today. Change starts with action, not words.
I'm going to call my brother. We haven't talked in a long time because of a silly argument.
That is a brave action, Paul. Do it. Don't wait.
Ah, you're right. Life is too short for silly arguments.
It is, and it's too short for a boring life.
This episode is really making me think. It's a bit like a cold shower.
A cold shower is good for you. It wakes up your body.
It does. I feel very awake now.
Good, because this is your moment. Not tomorrow, not next week.
Today is the only day we really have.
Exactly. The past is gone, the future is a dream. Today is real.
So, let's make it count.
Yes, trust God, stay strong, and most importantly, keep moving.
It will not be easy, everyone. We know that.
No, it won't, but I promise you, it will be worth it.
I believe you, Emily. I really do.
Thank you, Paul. I believe in you too, and I believe in everyone listening.
We have so much potential. We just need to use it.
So, let's go out there and be extraordinary.
I'm ready. I have my tea, I have my energy, and I have my plan.
And you have your phone to call your brother.
Yes, I will do that as soon as we finish.
Great. Well, I think we have given everyone a lot to think about today.
Yes, it's time to stop talking and start doing.
I agree. But before we go,
I know. The final reminder.
yes, please subscribe to Mr. English channel. We want to be with you on this journey.
And like the video if this message helped you today. We love to see your support.
And tell us in the comments, what is one brave action you will take today?
We really want to read your stories. It inspires us too.
It really does. You are part of our family now.
Okay, Emily, I'm going to do my work now.
And I'm going to go for a run.
A run? But it's raining.
So what? I'm not made of sugar, Paul. I won't melt.
See, you are practicing what you talk about. No excuses.
No excuses. Not today.
Thank you for this, Emily. It was exactly what I needed.
You're welcome, Paul. Thank you for being a great friend and co-host.
Until next time, everyone.
Stay brave and keep going.
Goodbye.
Bye for now.